Okay, so I got this iPod Touch 3rd generation, 8 GB, and the screen's cracked, and something's wrong with the charger port thing, and it'll charge through the wall, but it won't connect to the computer at all, and everything else works on it, and it, like, something has to be wrong with the charger port because it messes up with the battery, and so I need to replace the screen and then probably the 30-pin port, and I just needed to know how much that would be and how hard it is to do. And I tried to reboot it and that didn't do anything. I rebooted it like 5 or 6 times and that didn't help. And then, yeah, I just need a video response or something to show me how to fix it or tell me what's wrong with it. So, yeah.